What your feet tell you about your liver, 10 warning signs. The liver is one of the body's most vital organs, performing essential functions such as detoxifying the blood, producing bile, regulating cholesterol, and storing essential vitamins. However, when the liver is compromised, it often sends signals through different parts of the body, sometimes in unexpected places, like your feet. Understanding what your feet can reveal about your liver can help you catch early warning signs of liver problems before they escalate into more serious conditions. Here are 10 signs your feet might be showing that could indicate liver issues. 1. Swelling in the feet and ankles, edema. One of the most common foot-related signs of liver disease is swelling in the feet and ankles, also known as peripheral edema. When the liver isn't functioning properly, it can lead to a buildup of fluid in the lower extremities. This swelling occurs because the liver is responsible for producing albumin, a protein that helps keep fluid from leaking out of the blood vessels. When albumin levels are low, fluid leaks into surrounding tissues, causing noticeable swelling, particularly in the feet and ankles. If you experience persistent swelling in your feet or ankles, especially if it worsens as the day goes on or after standing for long periods, it could be a sign of liver dysfunction that needs medical attention. 2. Itchy feet. Persistent itching, particularly in the feet, can be a sign of liver disease. This itching often results from cholestasis, a condition where bile flow is reduced or blocked, causing bile acids to accumulate in the bloodstream. This buildup of bile acids can irritate nerve endings, leading to intense itching that often worsens at night. If the itchiness is not accompanied by a rash or another clear cause, it may be worth investigating your liver health. 3. Spider veins on feet and ankles. Spider veins, or telangiectasia, are tiny, web-like veins visible just beneath the skin's surface. They often appear in individuals with liver disease, especially cirrhosis, due to changes in blood flow and clotting factors. The liver is responsible for producing proteins involved in blood clotting, and when its function is impaired, blood vessels can become more fragile, leading to the appearance of spider veins on the feet, ankles, or even the legs. These veins may look like small red, purple, or blue lines that spread out like a spider web. While spider veins can occur for other reasons, such as aging or hormonal changes, their presence along with other liver-related symptoms should not be ignored. 4. Discoloration of toenails and feet. A yellowish tint to your toenails or the skin of your feet can indicate jaundice, which occurs when there is a buildup of bilirubin in the body. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment that forms when red blood cells break down, and the liver is responsible for processing and excreting it. If the liver is compromised, bilirubin can accumulate in the blood, causing a yellow discoloration of the skin and nails. In some cases, the nails may take on other abnormal colors, such as white or brown, as a result of poor circulation, which is often linked to liver disease. 5. Cold feet. Cold feet can be a sign of poor circulation, which may result from liver dysfunction. The liver plays a key role in regulating blood flow and maintaining healthy circulation throughout the body. When the liver is not functioning properly, circulation can be impaired, leading to cold extremities like the feet. If you notice that your feet are frequently cold, even in warm environments, it could be a subtle sign that your liver isn't operating as it should. 6. Bruising on the feet. Frequent or unexplained bruising on the feet or legs can indicate liver dysfunction. The liver produces clotting factors, and when it becomes damaged, it can no longer produce these proteins effectively. As a result, you may bruise more easily, even from minor bumps or injuries. While bruising alone doesn't always point to liver disease, it can be a helpful clue when combined with other symptoms. 7. Muscle cramps and foot pain. Muscle cramps, particularly in the feet and legs, are a common symptom in people with liver disease, especially cirrhosis. These cramps may occur due to an imbalance of electrolytes like magnesium, potassium, or calcium, which are regulated by the liver. When the liver is compromised, these electrolyte levels can become imbalanced, leading to cramps or pain in the muscles of the feet and legs. Persistent foot cramps should be evaluated, especially if they occur along with other liver-related symptoms. 8. Numbness or tingling in the feet. Numbness or tingling in the feet could be related to liver disease through a condition called peripheral neuropathy. This condition occurs when the nerves that carry messages between the brain and spinal cord and the rest of the body are damaged. Liver disease can cause an accumulation of toxins in the bloodstream that affect the nerves, leading to sensations of numbness, tingling, or burning in the feet. 9. Changes in foot texture, dry or cracked skin. The liver plays a critical role in metabolizing fats and oils, which keep the skin hydrated and healthy. When the liver is not functioning well, the skin on your feet may become excessively dry or cracked. While dry skin can result from environmental factors or poor hydration, liver-related dryness is often more severe and persistent, particularly on the heels. Keeping your feet moisturized can provide temporary relief, but addressing the underlying liver issue is essential for long-term improvement. 10. Dark urine and pale stools, alongside foot symptoms. While not a direct foot-related symptom, changes in your urine and stool color can indicate liver problems and may occur alongside foot symptoms. Dark urine and pale stools are common signs of liver dysfunction, especially in conditions like hepatitis or cirrhosis. These changes occur due to the buildup of bile in the body, which the liver is no longer able to process effectively. If you notice these signs along with symptoms in your feet such as swelling, discoloration, or itching, it's crucial to seek medical attention to evaluate your liver health.